So we put together a little 3-gun here, a competition. I would say tactical 3-gun because we're wearing plate carriers. We did a bunch of gun stores in San Diego. We did Ammo Brothers, who represented, Gunfighter Tactical, RDL, and Glock Store. They all showed up. They all put an awesome effort. We'll see who wins, and then they get to take home an awesome trophy that they display to the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one. So we want to keep this camaraderie here in San Diego and have some fun and see what we can do.
The course of fire was we went into the Suburban as if we were driving, went into a bad situation, fired 2 rounds on an aggressor coming at us, then moved out of the car. There were more aggressors around the field. We had to shoot a popper, then we had the innocents with their hands up, and we had to shoot the suspect behind them, and then we moved along the course of fire just from right to left, and we were shooting all the different targets up in the hillside, all the way to the right to the far top. I could have done better, but I think I did all right.
I did okay. A couple little slip-ups, 1 or 2, but worst case scenario, we're just having here to have fun and shoot for RDL and see if we can get them on board.